Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Dhyuti'S World of Cooking. If you like the channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.
Today we are making Dhyuti'S special chicken masala.
So let us start making our dish, Dhyuti'S special chicken masala. The ingredients which we use is as shown. First, take about 3 small onions and finely chop them. Then take 2 small tomatoes and finely chop them too and keep them aside. As you can see, our finely chopped onions and tomatoes. Then in a pan heat some oil, and when the oil has been heated up, we shall be adding our finely chopped onions and saute them till the time they are reaching the golden yellow color. And we are making this dish on a medium flame. Keep sauting them finely. And now we are adding our ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute them well till the time the rawness from the ginger and garlic paste goes off. Now we are adding about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and again saute them so that it mixes well with the onions. And we shall be adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. The red chili powder which we use here is Kashmiri chili powder, which is not at all spicy and gives a fine red color. Saute them well. Now we shall be adding our finely chopped tomatoes and let the mixture to cook properly and be a proper masala. Once this masala is ready and has been cooked properly, we shall be shifting this masala into a grinder and mix them nicely. Once the ground masala is ready, it is in the form of a fine paste, we shall be adding the ingredients and the masala into a pan and shall be adding the chicken. Now let the chicken cook in the masala. Make sure that all the pieces are submerged in the masala so that it cooks well. Give it an occasional stir. Add salt according to your taste. Here we are adding our garam masala. Now let the chicken cook. The smell is good. Now here we are adding our meethi leaves. About 1 tablespoon of meethi leaves. This is what is required. It gives a nice flavor to the dish. Give it an occasional stir. Let the chicken cook properly. Now we are adding our butter. It gives a wonderful flavor to the dish and the aroma is just magnificent. So give it a stir with the pan. Now I think our masala is ready. This is about after 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, the steam wafting out. Give it a stir just to check whether the chicken has been cooked. Yes, the chicken has come out well. It's tender. Now garnish it with a bit of coriander leaves. And as you can see, our masala is ready. Dhyuti'S special chicken masala is ready to be enjoyed. You can have it with rotis or rice. I'm sure you shall try this out. Please do leave in your comments. Let us have tasty times ahead with Dhyuti'S World of Cooking.